right, here we go. First autocross of the year. Got Olaf. We got Morgan and Siesta. Got my truck. 299,999 miles. If I timed it right, we'll be flipping over on the track.
So if you are a novice and you do DNF and you are confused or seem a little lost out there, feel free to put your hazards on, as there are dedicated members of the Spokes community happy to help you go faster, as we got Thomas Brinkman, one of several pickup trucks we see today. A few other fellow LS Fest competitors, including Ulf Olsen, who I believe I met at LS Fest this past year at Texas Motor Speedway, one of the most fun and engaging autocross events that I've ever done. Getting cool to see different varieties of vehicles at Spokes. As I am getting a phone call, and Chris Munoz. Good job for Seth, also familiar face, Caleb Strawn, his first outing with a completely new rear end of the truck. I remember him telling me on Instagram that he literally chopped the whole backside of the truck off and rebuilt the frame. So this is kind of a shakedown for him, another LS Fest competitor who's made their way into Spokes today. Alder Ross in the Civic 47.8, Alder Ross 47.8 in the Civic 19th in Novice. 53 Cantina. I remember seeing my truck make its way around the autocross course of Texas Motor Speedway as James Kirsch in the GR86, 44.2 for James. And then it's going to be ZS with a 38.7. So ZS going to slot himself between him and Eric and Crystal. James Kirsch making his way up, but takes it by 2-4, making it the first place lead. on a stock engine. As again, okay, never mind. Or 42.246 is best time. There's up to 6th at C Street. A lot of movement at C Street.
What happened there?
The Silverado is slowly moving. I don't know, there's a mechanical issue. But it is, you hear me, please just make your way to the finish, get off the nose. There, he's going to still do the course for Ray. Looks like the power's come back. Maybe the LSV. Okay. What did he say? Remember what I said, folks. Stop it. Okay, I guess he gets on the folks. John, you came up with 462. Unfortunately, I count would have been his best time. Doug out there just getting some heat in the tires.
Hell yeah.
And he'll get a rerun. FRS or wherever you are.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Capitalize on a rerun, see if you can get faster. We have venue out crash. We'll run. We get a rerun.
Rerun number 2.
Another rerun on that? Man, keep it heating those tires, Doug. Venue. Workers, please, if somebody's getting a rerun, we need that called in.